Q here, welcome to the channel if you found it. Reached for this deck and I found the Three of Cups on the bottom. A repeating message from the two previous readings. Open up, be real. Share the illumination of being you and feel safe enough to do so. Inspired to cut. Judgment. You're judging and assessing and finding harmony and balance in the motivation to do as suggested with the Three of Cups. That juggling of watching every word that you say and honesty about immaturity in the usage of sexual sacral energy and the expression of realness. The Page of Cups. Cut. That fake pretense and the coming in with love out of fear, and it's just left one in heartache and needing an angel. So if you're in a dark space, Q's got you. Yeah, we're gonna walk away from the fear and go seek help from the divine angel frequency energy, as I have the Eight of Cups, walking away from this hot nonsense and walking towards something more stable. We have the Hierophant underneath, giving you that resolve to stand there and know what to fight for. The path forward and the miracle needed to take one shot, so to speak, with the Six Wands of victory. So a miracle, victory, and a pot of real. It's what will heal you, nurture you, and allow you to feel versus always thinking in your head. That essence of what we started with, the Three of Cups. Saw the 9 wands there. That wall of hard-headedness. It's hard to open up. But once you do it once, it's easy to say fuck it. Gives you that solid foundation to do it again, to collaborate, to open up and share with others in cooperation. And to start utilizing your intuition by resting your mind and thinking. You can experience a different paradigm of the Wheel of Fortune turning. A different path, one unchosen. So go mark it, map it, get to know it too. Because otherwise you're boxing yourself. And this is infinite. You're gonna box the infinite? Don't do that. That seems silly. You make it finite. Go get independent, bold, beautiful, expressive, creative, and change a path. It's funny that it's Cameo. He's not any of those energies. But he made a choice here. The Two of Swords there, just like everybody else will make a choice there. To keep deceiving ourselves and only holding on to heartache, to be confused, or to share the cup with somebody. Someone that would stay with you even after everything crumbled. Someone reliable and knows the way to help you come down from the tree with a new way of looking at life and your paradigm, as we end with December's energy of the Ace of Pentacles and the solid energy that it brings us for this energetic January, so to speak. All right, so take what you may and adult yourself in this energy. And if you find yourself in a dark space, Q's got you. That's the Queen of Cups there. I suggest taking a shot. If you know a Queen of Cups, it'll pull you in out of thinking about it at least anymore. Not having to hold secrets. hold a different mask or face when you're around somebody. That having it your way energy of pride and ego. Put that to rest and take your shot. QgotU.